So in this Notes app tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to use writing tools here on the Notes app. So for example, if I just wanted to writing tools, I'll show you how to use a bunch of different writing tools. So for example, I'm just going to write something as an example that doesn't make any sense, needs to be cleaned up, etc. So I like the color blue. It is my favorite color. I like it so much. My dog is name is Blue and he is super cool and awesome. I like dogs and they are my favorite animal. That's my masterpiece. Doesn't make any sense, needs to be cleaned up. So how you guys can use writing tools is very specific. So if I wanted to highlight this text right here, I'll go to the top left, press edit. I'll then go down to where it says writing tools, and you can go ahead and show writing tools, or you can go right here and press on this option right here. It'll bring it to the exact same thing. So when you guys have writing tools opened up, you can get this proofread, you can rewrite it, you can edit it in a professional tone, concise, friendly, etc. You can also sort of summarize it the way that you want. So if you wanted to make this, you wanted to proofread it or rewrite it, you can go ahead and proofread it so that it makes a little bit of sense. So it then all of a sudden changed to I like the color blue. It is my favorite color. I like it so much. My dog's name is Blue and he is super cool and awesome. I like dogs and they are my favorite animal. So if that looks good to you, you can go ahead and press done. There you go. You can also go ahead and have this rewritten. So if you were to go ahead and rewrite it right here, it'll then rewrite it, which is awesome as well. You can also change this into like more of like a friendly tone if you want, which will go ahead and do this. You can go ahead and change this to a professional tone, which will clean it up a little bit. So you can basically play around with all of the different writing tools right here and add it to your notes. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to use the writing tools on the Notes app. Hope this video helps.